There is a list. It does not get published. Companies use it internally to decide which roles to restructure, which positions to eliminate quietly, and which job titles are scheduled for replacement without a formal announcement. I have gone through that list, and the jobs at the top of it are not the ones most people expect. Number 1, software developer. For 20 years, this was the answer. Learn to code. Get into tech. That is where the future is. That is what schools said. That is what the guidance counselors pushed. And for a while it was true. Then Satya Nadella stood in front of shareholders and said 30% of Microsoft's code is now written by AI. GitHub Copilot writes more than 40% of the code at companies that have deployed it seriously. Google's CEO said his engineers are using AI to write more than 25% of new code across the entire company. And hiring of entry-level software developers at major tech firms has dropped 50% compared to pre-pandemic levels. Not slowed down, dropped by half. The job did not disappear. The bottom of it did. And the bottom is where almost everyone starts. The people who spent 4 years and $40,000 getting a computer science degree in the last decade were handed a document that said this path was safe. The working version of that document said something different. It said the entry point was the most replaceable part. Number 2, financial analyst. This one surprises people because the title still sounds important. And it is, at the senior level. The problem is that most financial analysts are not at the senior level. They are building models, generating earnings summaries, consolidating spreadsheets, and preparing internal reports. Generative AI tools now produce first draft forecasts, automate variance analysis, and summarize quarterly performance in seconds. The mechanical layer of the job is gone. What is left requires judgment. What AI replaced was the part where young analysts spent years building the skills that eventually led to judgment. That pipeline has been cut. Wall Street banks have announced plans to remove approximately 200,000 positions over the next 3 to 5 years. Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan have all cited AI efficiency in workforce restructuring announcements. They are not starting at the top. They are starting exactly where every new hire starts. Number 3, paralegal. The World Economic Forum named this role explicitly in its high displacement list for 2026, not as a future risk, as a current one. Legal research tools now read contracts, flag anomalies, and summarize clauses faster than any human team. The work that paralegals spent years learning, document review, case research, filing preparation, is precisely the kind of structured, rule-based task that AI handles without oversight. Accenture has already begun cutting staff. It classified as unable to be retrained to work with AI agents. Paralegals were in that group. Law firms that once hired classes of 10 paralegals are now hiring 2. The other 8 positions were not posted. They were simply not refilled. Number 4, HR coordinator. AI-driven recruitment platforms screen resumes, schedule interviews, and rank candidates without a single human making a decision. Onboarding systems handle paperwork automatically. Compliance documentation is generated by software. The administrative core of HR, the part that most coordinators spend the majority of their time on, is being handed to tools that do not take lunch breaks. The WEF projects that clerical and administrative roles are among the fastest declining categories globally. HR coordination sits at the center of that projection. What remains in HR is strategy, culture, and conflict resolution. Those functions require maybe a third of the headcount that the administrative layer once did. I want to stop here for a moment, because there is something these first 4 jobs have in common that nobody is saying out loud. Every single one of them was presented as a safe bet, not just a decent job, a safe one. The kind you got a degree for. The kind where you put in the years and the system rewarded you for it. What the system did not tell you is that safe meant stable until the cost of replacing it dropped. And in 2026, that cost has dropped for every job on this list. Keep that in mind as we go through the rest. Number 5, junior accountant. Routine reconciliations, expense categorization, audit preparation, compliance documentation. These are the tasks that fill the first 5 years of most accounting careers. They are also the tasks that AI-powered accounting platforms now handle automatically. Machine learning systems flag anomalies faster than manual review and produce standardized reports without human input. EDSmart's 2025 analysis found that bookkeeping and data processing roles have up to 95% of their tasks already automatable using current technology. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a decline of 94,300 bookkeeping and accounting clerk positions by 2034. That projection was made before the current wave of agentic AI tools reached the market. The number being revised now is larger. Number 6, customer service representative. The BLS projects this role will lose hundreds of thousands of positions in the next decade. AI-powered customer service systems now handle inquiries, process returns, escalate complaints, and close tickets without human involvement. The companies deploying these systems are not doing it as an experiment. They are doing it because the cost difference is not marginal. It is structural. And when a cost reduction is structural, it does not reverse. The unemployment rate for people in this category has already begun to move in ways the headline numbers do not show. Number 7, data entry clerk. 95% of tasks. That is the current automation exposure figure for this role, not projected. Current. 7.5 million positions were at risk globally even before the latest generation of AI tools entered the workforce. The number being cited now is higher. This is the job that was already disappearing before anyone called it an AI story. AI finished what automation started 20 years ago. Number 8, market research analyst. Data analysts and market researchers carry a 65% automation potential, according to current research on white-collar AI exposure. The core of the role, gathering data, identifying patterns, generating reports, is exactly what large language models do at scale in a fraction of the time. What remains is interpretation and strategy. Companies are keeping fewer people to do that work. They are running the rest through software that costs less per month than one analyst costs per day. Number 9, administrative assistant. Office assistant roles are projected to lose 177,800 positions by 2034. The second largest absolute decline of any occupation in the country according to BLS data. Scheduling, correspondence, document preparation, travel coordination. These are the tasks that AI handles through calendar integrations, automated drafting tools, and workflow systems. The role did not vanish overnight. It was reduced piece by piece, one automated function at a time, until what remained did not require a full-time hire. Most companies did not announce this. They just stopped posting the position when someone left. Number 10, middle manager. This is the one that should change how you think about everything else on this list. Amazon cut 14,000 corporate positions in a single announcement. They did not cut the warehouse floor. They cut the people who manage the warehouse floor. Block, the payments company, eliminated 40% of its entire workforce. CEO Jack Dorsey said directly that intelligence tools had changed what it means to build and run a company. The middle layer of every organization exists to coordinate information and direct resources. AI coordinates information faster, more accurately, and at a fraction of the cost. That layer is being compressed. Not at the bottom, in the middle. The people who spent 15 years climbing toward that layer are finding out that the layer is being removed while they were still climbing toward it. Number 11. Junior software tester. Bug identification, documentation, test case generation. These were the entry points into a software career for people who could not yet write production code. AI testing tools now run automated checks at a scale no human team can match and generate documentation without being asked. The entry level of this role has been largely handed to the machine. What remains requires someone who can evaluate AI-generated outputs and design testing strategy. That is a senior function. The junior version of the job is effectively gone. Number 12, loan officer. AI manages credit approvals, assesses risk, detects fraud, and processes applications in seconds. The judgment calls that once required a loan officer with years of experience are now handled by systems trained on millions of previous decisions. The role has been narrowed to edge cases, complex applications, and relationship banking. The volume work that once employed thousands has been automated. The BLS projects bank tellers and loan processing roles to decline by nearly 45,000 positions by 2034. That number assumes a pace of adoption that several major banks have already exceeded. Here is what every job on this list has in common. None of them were labor jobs. None of them involved physical work that machines struggle to replicate. They were all credential jobs, jobs that required a degree, a certificate, or years of institutional training. Jobs that the system called safe because they required education. And every single one of them is being restructured from the bottom up, starting exactly where the newest and youngest workers are standing. You did not misread the market. You followed the document they gave you. The one that said get the right degree, get into the right industry, put in the years, and the path would hold. What nobody handed you was the working version of that document, the one that said the bottom of every credential job is the most replaceable part of it, and that what you were building toward was only secure until the cost of replacing it fell below the cost of keeping it. In 2026, that cost has fallen for all 12 of these at the same time. The jobs are not all gone. But the path into them is different now, and most of the people who are getting to feel this have not felt it yet. If this showed you something nobody put in writing back then, hit subscribe. Every week, one more thing the system hopes you do not know. And tell me in the comments, which one of these did you see disappear first? Put the industry next to it. Someone reading this needs to see it written down.